Welcome to Mr. Belle Kitchen. First of all, I would like to thank all my subscribers, all my viewer watchers. If you haven't subscribed, wondering how to subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell and you will subscribe to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for leaving all the good comments and everything. Hope I've been getting back to you to the best of my knowledge. Today, I'll be doing something different in the Power XL. I'll be making some potato wedges. Today, that's all you have to do is, sometimes you have potatoes left over, you don't know what to do. So I have these nice little potatoes right here. I washed them already and everything. That's all you have to do is cut them like this and put them here. As you see, I have some cut already, so I just left a few out so I could just cut it like here. These right here are gonna be so delicious. I made some the other day and we really enjoyed it and everything. So we had a lot of potatoes, so I was thinking of something to do. I say, I'm gonna do it. You can have this with chicken, you can have it with fish, you can have it with just about anything fried. These are very delicious. I'm gonna finish these up and I'll be back. And today my ingredients will be these nice potatoes right here. And I'll be having some seasoning salt, some garlic salt, some black pepper, and I'll be pouring some oil in there, and I'll have some flour and 1 egg. So right now what I'm gonna do, you know I can't do it with the top on, so I'll be taking this top off for all my first time viewers that don't know the top come off. That's all you do, 1, 2, and up it go. I'm gonna put it to the side. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set this on fry. Set it on fry. As you see, it's on fry. Set temperature for 375, and I'm gonna set it for 1 hour. I'm not gonna use all that, but always remember, you can always add time to it, but you can't take it away. So I'm gonna let it circulate, and I'm gonna pour my oil in, let it get nice, good, and hot. So when we do these potatoes, everything be nice and good. Like I said, I did it before. And I'm gonna pour this all in just like that and just let it get nice, good, and hot. Just like that. Just pour it in there just like that. Let that circulate, get nice, good, and hot. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna crack my egg up in here. And I'm gonna just put it in just like that. And I'm gonna add some seasoning in it. I'm just gonna add the seasoning just like this. A little garlic in there. A little garlic salt. And some black pepper. And remember, it might look like a lot of seasoning, but it's not. And a little salt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna beat this up real good. Just like that. Beat it up nice and good. Beat it up. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add some seasoning with the flour. So, because you know the flour is going to take up all the seasoning and everything. So you have to add more so you can get that nice, good taste. Add a little black pepper in there too. Put a pinch of salt in there. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, what you do next is you just put some of your potatoes in here. A little at a time, and I'm just gonna mix it up in this bowl right here, just like that. And I'm just gonna mix it up and let the eggs get all over it and everything, just like this. So that way it sticks to the flour. And you see the mix coming up good. The seasoning is coming on it too, a little. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put it in this bag right here. I'm gonna just drop them in, just like that. Drop them all in there like that. So I'm gonna seal this up right now, just like this. And I'm gonna just shake it. As you see, it's nice and good. Shaking up nice and good. As you see the flowers on them and everything. And now, that's all we gotta do is wait till the grease get hot. Till say add food, and we're gonna put them in there. Okay, say add food. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna start putting these potatoes in here just like this. And everything. Put them in like that. And then just start frying. Drop them in. Like that. Put them in just like that. Just like that. Okay, it's been 9 minutes, so I'm gonna just flip it and see how it's coming out and everything. How they looking. They're coming out pretty good, as you see. They're coming out good. Okay, as you see, they floating at the top and everything. Once they start floating at the top, they are done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just take my nice little scoop I have right here, and I'm gonna just shake the grease off them like this, and I'm gonna put them in this plate. As you see, now that looks so delicious. Now I'm gonna just take all these out like this, and I'll be able to put my second batch in. Put them in there just like this, and I'm gonna tell you, these go good with some chicken, some fried chicken or some fried fish. Take them out like that and just put them in a plate. And see, when you use something like this too, the scoop and everything leaves all the grease in the pan. Okay, these look like they're done. I'm gonna just go through them and stir them up and everything. Yes. See, like they just about done. So I'm gonna just scoop these out like that. As you see, the grease is coming off them. That's all you have to do is take them out like that. I'm gonna put them over here with the first batch and everything. Just put them just like that. Take them out. Okay, these right here are your potato wedges. Now, I'm gonna taste one and see how it come out and everything. Like I said, these are good. They're good to have with chicken or fish on the side. They are delicious. As you see, it's nice and moist in the inside, look crispy on the outside. That is good. That's Cooking with the Bells. We did it again. If you like it, leave a comment. If you don't know how to subscribe, that's all you have to do. Ding! Hit that bell. And you are subscribed to Mr. Belle Kitchen. Thank you for watching.